My name is Venkatesham. I am a company secretary here, Northern Power Distribution Company, and our presentation is about distributed solar generation of Northern Power Distribution Company. So, brief introduction about Northern Power Distribution Company. It is incorporated in the 30th March of 2000 as a part of electricity reforms, and the company name was changed to Northern Power Distribution Company of Telangana after formation of Telangana state. Now the company is approximately serving about 61.39 lakhs consumers in 18 districts of Telangana state. The per capita energy consumption of Telangana is about 2091, which is highest in the country. TSNPDCL is having a total installed capacity of 1099 megawatts grid connected solar capacity in the TSNPDCL area. So this is the facts about the brief overview of the company, sir. We are having as on 31st January 2021, the peak demand met in our area is about 5,944 megawatts. The maximum consumption is about 111 MU. So the brief project of this about is, this is a
Why did you play this? Why did you play this? So we get a bigger screen.
Go to the full screen, please. Full screen.
Yes?
No. Just full screen.
Control plus F5.
Control F5.
Easier for you to go to the cup at the bottom right corner.
Yes.
This one?
No. Bottom right corner.
There is a cup.
Our company. Peak demand met in NPDCL is about 5,944 megawatts, and it is serving about 61.39 lakhs consumers. Mostly 43.40 domestic consumers, and agriculture consumers are about 11.96 lakhs. So energy losses is 8.15%, 2020-21. So this is the basic of our project distributed solar generation. We are happy to share that in 2018 also Scotch Award was awarded for this distributed solar generation project of NPDCL. This presentation is about an updation of the earlier our initiative taken under the distributed solar generation. This is basically the key advantages of the distributed generation model is generation is closer to demand center, hence the reduction in transmission losses. At the time of initiation of this process, the energy saved on annual basis is about 122 MU, and annual energy savings are about 49 crore rupees per annum. And this is also, in addition to that one, it is also avoiding the transmission upstream network investment of about 533 crores in EHT level due to the distributed generation model. So injection of solar at the 33 kV level to maintain grid frequency without loading and transmission system. Solar capacity of TSNPDCL increased from 18.49 megawatts as on 2nd June 2014 Telangana state formation to presently it is about 1099 megawatts as on January 2021. So there is an increase of almost some hundreds of times capacity. And in addition to this one, TSNPDCL is also encouraging the consumers to go for solar rooftop capacity. And to this year, as on January 2021, the solar rooftop also about 18.19 megawatts. In addition to this one, the upcoming solar capacity in TSNPDCL is about 831 megawatts by 2022. And we are also programming project under KUSUM scheme for solarization of agricultural feeders at 33 kV and 11 kV substation level to the extent of 218 megawatts, which is approved by the under the KUSUM scheme. So So this is our renewable power purchase obligation, which is set as a target by the Ministry of Power and also the state regulatory commissions. So year-wise, this is initially 2015-16 there was a deficit in RPO obligation. 16-17 also the projects were taking up this thing, but from 17-18 we are able to achieve this RPO obligation of solar. 18-19 6% target and achievement is 11%. 19-20 also 6.5% target and we have achieved 10.37. Even 2021 7.21 is target, but we have achieved 12.17 percentage of the target set by the regulatory commission. So this is because of solar generation in our area. So TSNPDCL has been very much last initiating many initiatives under distribution initiatives, and this has been awarded many times from 2014-15 to 2020-21. There are many Scotch awards and IPI awards, TS iPods given for this projects. Various projects is not only solar but also energy DGPRS enabled integrated systems, IT, and replacement of LED bulb, bulbs with LED bulbs, and Scotch award for 24/7 power supply to consumers. So these are the various initiatives which are appreciated and recognized by the in India under power distribution as a power distribution utility.
Members.
Good.
Jury members, any question?
No, it's okay. Thank you.
It's okay.